as y'all can see, I'm pulling up to the Pizza Nova spot. Now for all you guys out here in Canada, you let me know which pizza spot's your place. Pizza Nova for me is my number one. It's my go-to. Alright, I think it's been about 20 minutes. Pizza Nova. Y'all let me know how long it takes for your local pizza place that you guys go to. How long it takes for them to make the pizza. I ordered medium pepperoni ground beef, hung special. But yeah, the guy told me 20 minutes. Usually that's around the time Pizza Nova takes. But anyway, y'all let me know how long it takes your local pizza. If it's Pizza, Domino's Pizza, or Pizzaville, y'all let me know, alright? We're gonna collect that pizza right now. This guy always trying to come with me everywhere I go. Oh, they got a special. There we go. Special right there. Alright, let's go see if the pizza is ready. Hey brother. Ah, look at that. Thank you very much. You too, buddy. Pizza. Time to go. I ain't gonna lie guys, I really don't feel like cooking, so Pizza Nova is always has been the closest pizza place so far to me, where I live, and I've been living there for like maybe 3-4 years now, so that's one of the reasons why I do go to Pizza Nova. But also I can't complain, they've never never messed up my order, so like I said. Alright, we got the pizza. Y'all ready to see this? Oh, look at that. When you guys order from your local pizza place, y'all let me know. Your pizza looking like this? You get enough pepperoni? When you order from Domino's or Pizza, oh. Y'all let me know, because like I said, Pizza Nova, y'all never done me wrong before. Y'all let me know in the comments, man. Let me know if your local pizza be hitting it up like this, making it looking so beautiful, delicious. Like, look at that. Like, there's pepperoni on every side. There's no space. There's nothing missing. There's meat everywhere. Pause. Like, you know what I mean? Like, they're not stingy. Let me show y'all this better. Like, I don't think you understand that. Look at that. There's pepperoni everywhere. There's nothing. There's no gap. There's no space. You know what I mean? Like, every bite, pepperoni, ground beef. Y'all let me know, man. Some pizza place, they're stingy. They'll give you, like, put this way. When it comes to Pizza Hut, to me, that's not my place. That's one of the lower ones. I know a lot of people are going to say, well, it's more pricey, it's a little more bougie, but to me, I rate Pizza Hut out of 10, I would say a 5, because I feel like they just throw all the toppings on there and then throw the cheese, and so you can't even see what's exactly on there. Sometimes when I order from there, in the past when I ordered from there, I was like, is this what I order? Because to me, it didn't stand out like this, you know what I mean? You can't see the pepperoni and the ground beef like that. Toby, come here. Sit. You know what I mean? But that's what I'm saying. Like, when it comes to a good place, if a good spot, when it comes to food, your local pizza or wings or whatever, trust me, stick with them and support them, because a lot of other places I've done reviews or even just went there and just tried the food, like, it's not worth it. You know, like I said, if your pizza is not looking like this, like and all that stuff, man, I'm telling you. Anyway, enough of that. We gonna review it. Like, look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that beauty. Look at that nice slice. Like I said, pepperoni, ground beef, all over that slice. Like, there's no space. There's nothing missing out there. You know what I mean? Like, they're not stingy. Look at that. That hits the spot. I was at mechanic shop all day. Right. There ain't no good places around you can get food. It's all like coffee shops. And I needed something real good. And like I said, on my way home, there's traffic. And I guarantee you, by the time I reach home, I didn't feel like cooking. So I had to stop by Pizza Nova, and they're on the way home, so figured why not. For $15, medium pepperoni ground beef, you can't go wrong. Like I said, this has been my go-to spot for the last 3 to 4 years. I've tried other places like Domino's, Pizza Hut, Pizza, but like I said, man, for my money, I think Pizza Nova to me is better. Y'all let me know what your local pizza spot is that you guys go to, and if it's, you know, if you for $15 you're gonna get the same size medium pizza, and like I said, these guys don't skimp out on their toppings. Like, every bite you're getting a pepperoni or whatever it is that you want on your pizza. I guarantee you, Pizza Nova is never gonna let you down. When it comes to pizza overall, I give it an 8. I give it an 8 out of 10. I don't want to say it's the best pizza because I haven't tried a lot of other places, you know, other than your typical pizza joints. But when it comes to the typical pizza joint, I put Pizza Nova over all of them, over Domino's over Pizza over Pizza Hut. I put Pizza Nova over them. So you all let me know what you like. You go and check out Pizza Nova if you've never checked them out before, and let me know what you guys feel when it comes to Pizza Nova. But like I said, when you have a good thing going with a place, stick with them. Don't change it up. But so far, Pizza Nova to me has never failed. They've always done good, and yeah, I can't complain. So kudos to Pizza Nova. Share and subscribe. I'm gonna finish this pizza.